Hey everyone, today we're going to draw a Grim Reaper. Let's get started. First, we'll begin with the eyes. We want them to look angry, so we're going to draw them in a U shape, tilted to give that menacing expression. Next up is the nose. For that classic skull style, we'll use an upside-down V shape. Now it's time to draw the outer shape of the skeleton head. We'll sketch lines coming down the sides, then curve a line underneath to shape the bottom of the skull. To make it look like teeth, add a curved line under the head where the jaw would be. Now for the Grim Reaper's hood, a big draped shape covering most of the head, adding to that creepy, mysterious vibe. Let's move on to the body and hands. Keep the shapes simple and flowing, like long robes and bony hands peeking out. And that's it! Our Grim Reaper drawing is done! If you like this drawing, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cool art tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.